where the beef came from. Yo, man, I'm the Beyonce.
He was the Beyonce. Okay, he was the Beyonce. But unfortunately, with that Tinto song, something happened. That is the honest truth. That's what happened. Because with that Tinto song, the way it came about is this. Culture Spears had dropped Gulenyane. And I remember my brother bringing the tape out Gulenyane. And and we are sitting there ready, say, go Pakalan. And I'm saying, fuck.
That was a banger.
We need to come with something. It's actually gonna pop.
Yeah.
And there is no way we can beat this thing. More truth.
Yeah.
So you just keep on recording. Then that song came about, and I felt, but this song's but we are lacking something. No man, you know, no, because this guy, the producer they had, what was his name again? The guy from Zim. That guy, the way he was playing hella, you know. And then Kabelo with this voice, his tenor voice, is there just he's fucking writing this song, Kabelo, and it's a hot song. Tinto Hata. Accidentally hella, you know. I see these guys at Manchester concert, Bomayarasi. That one I did at the amphitheater, Manchester Live in concert. These guys are comedians. They've been while they were doing that, I felt already. That's nice. Okay, fine. How did I Tinto? Let us sing this song. But then I auditioned all of them. Because Mayarase they wrote the chorus of that song. Boy, they wrote Gilbert Mackenzie played that song. Okay. Mayarase Letsangane. They went in there. Now I was not even there. And I said, fuck, there's some bullshit. I'm writing this. Mari, let us do an audition. So these guys come in. Zangse does it, Mayarase does it, Ditura does it, Roy does it. Kale Presley, we listen to it and we say, Zanks has it. Let's go with Zanks. And by this time, the song is not even written yet. That song,
it's the concept. You had the idea.
I'm building a concept.
Yeah.
So Zanks comes. We say, but like Zanks
blue.
Zanks we you know what I'm saying? So let us. That song, I wrote that song like in 30 minutes because Presley recorded the song. He was engineering the song. He took the vocals of the song. Presley is sitting there. Zanks is on a microphone. I'm here with a pen and paper. I'm writing. Zanks is putting it in. Presley's advice. I'm writing. I wrote that whole entire verse. I got that whole entire lead vocal. I wrote that. I'm writing. Zanks, what do you think we can put in here? Lina Lamoto, what like a Lina, we put in there. And the song
and
was
his humility, I mean, I can see it.
So, when that song played, we were actually shocked. I was actually shocked. Fuck. Could I remember the listening session I did? Radio Botswana, man, the mama hotels go pakala nkwana ka the studio. Presley, Presley Ntare. Nare bosa. Go di le hit. You know, that was good from that night onwards because we would build a stage in the garden and everyone would be watching there. How did you had uncle at the perform pina it was Presley's idea. Hore ama pese that was Presley's idea. He went and brought in Maruhabo taxi. That was Press Beats.
Wow.
And he came on board. Happy night, the whole garden went fucking crazy.